Guys, it's Grandma JuJu again. I've got another story for you. This one's called Susie's Apple Pie. Are you ready? This is one I don't think you have a copy of, so you'll have to just watch real careful the pictures. It goes like this. Susie, Mom called, I am baking apple pies today. I want to make an apple pie. Please run to Grandmother's house and ask her if you may get 4 big apples from her apple tree. Susie liked to go to Grandma's house. Oh, yes, she said, as happy as she could be. I will get apples for you. She got her little basket and waved goodbye to her mom. Bye, Mom. She ran across the yellow dandelions, under the fence, and through the field to Grandmother's house. Grandmother, she said, Mom needs 4 big apples to bake an apple pie. May I get some off your tree? Oh, yes, said Grandmother. Of course you may, and I will come with you. Grandmother and Susie went out to the apple tree. They found the 4 biggest, nicest apples on the tree. They put them in Susie's basket. Thank you, Grandmother, Susie said. Now Mom can make an apple pie. Susie ran home, crossed the yellow dandelion, under the fence, through the field. But she did not go far when she stopped. There, on the other side of the fence, was Twinkie. He was asking for an apple. Of course he was. Horses do like apples. Susie took an apple from her basket. She rubbed it on her dress until it was shinier than shiny. Then she gave it to Twinkie. 1, she said, just 1. The rest are to bake an apple pie. And Twinkie gobbled it up. Then Susie ran for home. She jumped over stones, she jumped over flowers, and then she stopped. There, on the other side of the fence, was Florrie. She was asking for an apple. Of course she was. Susie took an apple from her basket and she rubbed it on her dress until it was shinier than shiny. Then she gave it to Florrie. 1, she said, just 1. The rest are to bake an apple pie. And Florrie gobbled it up. Then Susie ran for home. She jumped over prickly weeds. She jumped over bugs and grasshoppers. And then she stopped. There, on the other side of the fence, was Kita. She was asking for an apple. Of course she was. There's Kita. Susie took an apple from her basket. She rubbed it on her dress until it was shinier than shiny. Then she gave it to Kita. 1, she said, just 1. The rest are to bake an apple pie. And Kita gobbled it up. Then Susie ran for home, through the field, under the fence, and across the yellow dandelions. Here, Mom, she said, here are your apples to bake an apple pie. Mom looked into the basket. 1? She said, just 1? I cannot bake an apple pie with just 1. I need 4 big apples. Susie looked into her basket and hung her head. She was sad. Twinkie asked for an apple, and Florrie asked for an apple, and Kita asked for an apple. I gave them all an apple. And now Susie looked into the basket again. Now there is only 1 apple left for the apple pie. "1 apple," said Mom, "is not enough. Not for an apple pie. You must run and get some more apples." Susie took the basket and across the yellow dandelions, over the fence, through the field she ran, all the way to Grandmother's house. Grandmother helped her find the biggest and the nicest apples. Then Susie ran for home again, across the yellow dandelions, under the fence, and through the field. "No, Twinkie," she said when Twinkie asked for an apple. "No, Flory," she said when Flory asked for an apple. "No, Kita," she said when Kita asked for an apple. "No apples for you. This time we shall have our pie." And they did. Pretty good looking pie. Today is a rainy day here in Iowa, and I'm probably not going to make pie, but if I had some apples, I might think about it. I hope you guys have a fun day. I love you. Bye.